Yeah, of course that is. That's what I'm saying. Mark Carney, what did he say? He said that we were complicit in so many things. We knew that the rule-based order has loopholes, it has gaps, but we remained silent. We knew that there is a difference between international law and rule-based order, but we became complacent to that. But it's very late, darling. It's very late now. You have made almost all of the global south the rubble, and now you people are tasting this, and now you people are realizing and waking up to this. It's too late now because Trump, I don't know. It could be like people say that Trump has some inconsistencies, but I think that he's very consistent in two things: one, tariff, and the second thing is Greenland. So he has this thing in his mind that he has to secure his borders, like American borders, from one side to Latin America and to other side to the North Atlantic. And from North Atlantic, he needs to have the Greenland and Canada, and if not the entire Canada, then at least the Alberta. And the recent news is that there is a chaos in Alberta. There are freedom movements in Alberta. In Alberta, there are people who wants to be part of America. See how these things work. So they will take as much as of Canada, uh, let's say like just Alberta, and then the Greenland, and then they will divorce a very sad, very ugly divorce to Europe because uh, USA in its recent security strategy, which they have published last month, they categorically said that they are not interested in NATO because of the demographic changes, and they have their skepticism that because of these demographic changes, they don't know that after 10 or 20 years that people inside NATO will be aligned to their white European philosophy. So it's written inside that security arrangement.